We're going to talk about menstrual cups, tampons, and sanitary napkins in this video. So when you're talking about period products, it's really important to keep pricing in mind. And that's why I am doing this video in collaboration with a brand called Kamasi. Whatever products I'm going to talk about in this video are from Kamasi, and they are super affordable and really cost effective. You will get to know about it when I talk about each and every product, but then trust me, Kamasi is a great cost-effective brand when it comes to period product. Hi guys, this is Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. If you're already liking the video, make sure you hit the like button because that means a lot to me. And without any wastage of time, let's get started. So we'll start with menstrual cup as the first period product. So this is how the menstrual cup from Kamasi looks like. I have always been a sanitary pad user in my entire life. Recently, a few months back, I have switched to menstrual cup and the switch has been amazing. They also give you this cute little packaging to carry it around. And this is how a menstrual cup looks like. Let me just quickly give you an instruction on how to use it. So you just need to fold it and hold it with two fingers. And then you need to put it inside your body. I know it sounds a little scary if you've not used it as of yet in your life. But then let me tell you, this particularly subtracts all the discomfort which comes with a sanitary napkin. So that's why I'm talking about the menstrual cup first, because sanitary napkin is really common and everybody has tried it in their life. But these are some new exciting things. So if you want to just experiment with it, you can go for this one from Kamasi. It is the softest menstrual cup ever. That's made up of 100% biocompatible silicone. It's so soft that it can slide in easily in your body, and then it has holes to ease down the removal process as well. So another advantage of a menstrual cup could be for people who have heavy flow. It's amazing for you because number one, cost effective. One menstrual cup from any brand will cost you less than 500 or something, close to 550, and it can be used for close to 10 years. Yes, it's that cost effective. Like, you can just do the math, all right? Menstrual cups have more capacity to collect blood as compared to a sanitary napkin or to a tampon. So that's why this is really recommended for people who have heavy flow. If you are on a lookout for the sustainable and long-lasting period product, then let me break it to you that menstrual cups are the best thing you can ever go for. And I have been recently trying this one from Kamasi and I have really loved it. So all the detailed instructions to use a menstrual cup comes in this leaflet, which is already present inside the packaging of this particular menstrual cup box, which you get from Kamasi. And do not worry, it sounds a little scary, but once you get used to of it, you will really love the comfort which comes with the menstrual cup. You have already crossed one stage of using sanitary napkins and you're comfortable with it. Now, if you want to try another product, you can definitely try Kamasi's menstrual product and see how you feel. I have liked the switch. Let me know if you are using it already. I would love to read about it. Comment down below. This one retails at 550 rupees. Now, if you feel that 550 is too much for you, do not worry. I have something special for you at the end of this video. So make sure you continue watching it. Now it's time for the next period product, which is the tampons. So this is how a tampon from Kamasi looks like. This is like basically all the tampons look more or less something like this only. You need to insert this particular part inside your body. Now this is really, again, this sounds scary if you have not used menstrual cups or tampons as of yet. But let me tell you, it's very comfortable. And if you're really active on field, then tampons are just the right period product for you. And it is good even if you are into swimming. So this is one period product which you can wear if you're on your periods and you have to go swimming. You cannot do with sanitary napkins. I know this is really basic, but then I'm talking about each and everything in detail because there's very less awareness about the period products, and I thought it would be a great platform to reach out to you guys. Now again, these tampons also come with a leaflet which is like proper detailed instruction on how to use, how to insert, how to remove, sort of a thing, which is really basic, but I definitely recommend you reading it if you've not used a tampon as of now. So it comes in very handy. This one retails at rupees 240 for 16 regular flow tampons. So I suggest you start with the regular one if you are new to the tampons, because that's when you will get a fair idea which is the best one for you. Start with the regular one and then you can buy Super and Super Plus if you feel that these are not absorbent enough for your flow. And now talking about why I have chosen Kamasi tampons over any other tampons, it's because they are made up of 100% pure cotton. So when you're putting something inside your body, you need to know what it is made up of, and if there are any harmful chemicals or toxic chemicals used for production of a tampon, it can actually irritate your skin, it can cause you a lot of infections down there, and we do not want that. And I feel they have a pretty decent affordable price as compared to their competitors. So that's pretty much all about Kamacy tampons. Now let's move on to the very famous and common period product, which is sanitary napkins. First of all, very cute packaging. I really loved it. I'm someone who gets really attracted to the fancy packaging, and this is what Kamacy has to offer here. So the first one which I would specifically like to talk about is their Kamacy sensitive sanitary pad range. If you have sensitive skin and if your periods are full of rashes, then I think this is just the right kind of product for you. This is gynecologically tested and they are 100% rash free. And they also have a certification for that. So they mean what they are trying to claim here. They actually mean that. So let's just talk about how they make it rash free. The napkin is specially designed for sensitive skin. So the top sheet of this particular sanitary napkin from Kamacy, which is the sensitive range of Kamacy pads, is made up of corn fiber, and it does not contain any sort of irritants. They come in 3 sizes, which is large, XL and double XL. So you can choose the one which you want according to your flow. Each sanitary napkin in the boxes come in individual disposal bags which are biodegradable. So basically you save your environment also while you are on your periods. So I like that feeling. What about you? It's like this, and you can use the napkin, and when you want to dispose it, just use the same bag. It's really easy to carry, very nice and discreet packaging. I like it. I've been using them and I'm really kind of liking it. They do not disintegrate whatsoever. That's the best part about these one from Kamacy. This is like 130 rupees for 10 pads, which I feel is super affordable, and they have an upcoming sale which I'm just going to talk about in a minute at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And let's talk about the second range of sanitary napkins which Kamacy has to offer. This is Kamacy Eco-Conscious Sanitary Napkin. These are again great for rash-free and eco-friendly periods. So each sanitary napkin from Kamacy comes in an individual biodegradable package, and this is how the one looks like from the eco-conscious range. So again, this one is made up of paper, so this is super biodegradable and good for your environment. Now the eco-conscious range from Kamacy is a little expensive. Why? Because they are made up of eco-friendly material, the packaging, the pad and everything. This one's for 200 for 10 pads. And again, I have something for you, so do not worry. An amazing option if you are looking for environment-friendly products. So this is a great brand and product all in all for you guys. So what I personally liked about Kamacy sanitary napkins is that each and every napkin comes in an individual packing with a disposal bag, which makes it amazing to use. And they do not have these flashy packaging. I don't know why the other brands make it so flashy. The products come in very earthy tones which will not catch your attention. They're very easy to carry, easy to dispose, good for environment, cost effective. All in all, amazing. And the single brand has to offer a lot more products. They have their menstrual cup, they have their tampons, they have their sanitary napkins, and if you check their website, they have intimate wash and stuff like that also. So everything related to intimate hygiene, feminine intimate hygiene, and that too at a very affordable price. So there's no hard and fast rule of using a period product. The only rule which you have to follow is use your period products with clean hands. They should be proper, and follow a little hygiene when you're dealing with periods. That's really important. My personal favorites are this menstrual cup and this eco-safe range, eco-conscious range from Kamacy. Alright, so the Women's Day is just around the corner and Kamacy is coming up with a huge sale. If I just give you an example, so this particular pack is like Kamacy sensitive sanitary pads. These are for rupees 130. But during the sale, they will be for rupees 99 for 10 pads. Now, if you use this particular discount coupon code, which is flashing on the screen right now, you will get additional 10% off. Basically, if you use my coupon code, you are going to get that pad for 89 rupees. Like this whole packet of sensitive range from Kamacy sanitary napkins for 89 rupees. Also, all of the other products from Kamacy will be on sale and they will be on 35% off. I'm going to leave a link and coupon code in description box below so you can make your purchases during that period and make the most of it, because it's good to stock up on period products when they are really affordable. So please go for it and make the most out of that particular sale from Kamacy. And I think this is all we have for this video. Make sure you hit the like button if you've liked the video or any of the period products. Second, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And that's all. I'll see you again. Bye.